Wind energy projects are facing growing opposition and reduced acceptance. Financial participation of citizens within projects is increasingly seen as a potential solution to foster acceptance, as it may enable a fairer distribution of project benefits. As a result, many participation models emerge and can be classified into two main groups: community energy and co-investments. Community energy includes projects mainly owned and controlled by local actors. These can, for example, take the form of a cooperative, where citizens have more than 50% of the voting rights. These projects are often associated with relatively higher level of acceptance compared to projects that are owned and controlled by distant and private actors. However, they can face many challenges, such as citizens' lack of technical experience and financial capacity, or their inability to balance risk. Co-investments are increasingly incentivized, as they are thought to have the potential to overcome these challenges by providing additional expertise, financial capital, and leverage. This could take, for example, the form of a project where 20% of the capital is open for citizens to co-invest by purchasing shares. Various models exist, all including different levels of risk, costs, and benefits. These in turn result in different levels of acceptance. There appears to be a consensus among scholars on the important role that community energy played in fostering acceptance of wind energy projects. Yet, there is an increasing trend towards incentivizing co-investments, despite a lack of understanding of their effect on acceptance or preferences for specific models. There is a need to further investigate the relationship between co-investment and acceptance, and how different models align with the preferences of local citizens. Addressing these questions is at the core of my research project. To do this, I will first investigate which citizen participation models emerge, how do they differ, and which are the most widely applied. I will then clarify if providing the option to local citizens to co-invest in a project has an effect on acceptance, and will investigate preferences for specific models. And finally, I will look at how can government effectively incentivize participation. Growing opposition to wind energy projects challenges our achievement of climate goals. Co-investments have the potential to play an important role in accelerating the large-scale deployment of renewables. However, further research is needed to clarify the effect on acceptance and to better understand preferences for specific models. This will allow us to derive best practice guidelines for developers and policy recommendations, ultimately contributing to fostering a more socially acceptable energy transition.